In this video, we are going to talk about 5 ways to boost your credit score instantly. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Your credit score plays a pivotal role in your financial life. This number can determine everything from whether you can get a Supercharge card to whether a landlord will rent to you. It can even influence whether you get hired for a job. Whether you pay your bills on time has the biggest influence on your credit score, but other factors come into play too, including how much you owe and how far back your credit history goes. If your credit score needs some improvement, this video is for you. Here's a list of 5 ways to boost your credit score instantly. Let's start. Number 5. Check your credit report. Your credit report is a lengthy record of your dealings with credit of all sorts, and it's what is used to create your credit score. You should get your credit report because if it's not accurate, your credit score could suffer. You can also check to ensure that someone hasn't stolen your identity. Check your personal information like name, address, phone number, and social security number to make sure it's all correct. Check your credit balances and credit limits, as well as whether payment information is accurate. If you find something wrong, contact the creditor and the credit bureaus and ask them to update or correct any misinformation. Your credit report will tell you how to do that. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has sample letters for correcting a credit report. You can also correct your report online, which is faster than relying on mail. Number 4. Set up automatic bill payments. If you have the money but keep forgetting to pay on time, put your bills on autopilot. Most companies are happy to help you set up automatic payments online. Your bills will be paid before the due date, and you won't have to go out and buy stamps. Credit reporting companies typically won't ding you if you're a day late with a payment, says Rod Griffin, Senior Director of Consumer Education at Experian. Typically, a late payment shows up on your credit report if you're late by an entire billing cycle. Griffin says, your lender, however, may tack on a late payment fee or increase your interest rate if you're even a day late. Your credit score won't automatically improve once you set up autopay, and if it's low because of something serious such as defaulting on a loan, it could take years to reap the benefits. If the main problem is forgetting the car payment, however, automatic bill payment can help your credit score start rising again. Your on-time payment record accounts for 35% of a Fair Isaac Corporation score. Number 3. Reduce the amount you owe. Lenders want you to borrow, but not too much. Typically, lenders start to raise their eyebrows when you use more than 30% of your available credit on all your credit cards. This is measured by what's called a credit utilization rate. It is how much credit you're using divided by the total amount available to you. If yours is low, then you're probably doing a good job of budgeting. Credit utilization is 30% of your Fair Isaac Corporation score. And having too little activity can be a problem as well, Griffin says, because if you need a loan, the lender will want to see that you have used credit wisely in the past. Even if you don't have a credit card, you can ask that utility bills or other regular bill payments be added to your credit report. For fixed-rate loans, such as home loans or car loans, lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio, which reflects how much of your annual income goes to paying debt. It's the number of your monthly debt payments divided by your monthly income. Number 2. Don't rush to close old accounts. The age of your oldest account, the age of your newest account, and the average age of all your accounts make up 15% of your credit rating. As long as you're not paying annual fees on an open account, it can be worthwhile to let it collect dust. The longer you've had credit, the better your score. Number 1. Don't ask for credit too often. Getting a new card from time to time shouldn't ding your credit, nor should taking out a car loan or mortgage. People who default on loans tend to rack up a great deal of debt before they default, so lenders keep an eye on how many times you ask. New inquiries are 10% of your Fair Isaac Corporation score. The final 10% is based on credit mix. Lenders like to see a diversity of debt types all in good standing. Lenders will pull your credit report when they are considering making a loan to you, and this type of inquiry is called a hard inquiry. Hard inquiries stay on your credit report for about 2 to 3 years. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.